Welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this tutorial, we will discuss the basic electronics knowledge diode, semiconductor, NPN and PNP transistor, junction diode and bias-related questions. This problem-solving lesson will be helpful for many competitive exams, like the ASVAB, Navy Officer Test, Officer Aptitude Test, etc. Let's start today's lesson. Question 1. Which of the following is a characteristic of a semiconductor material? Option A. It is a good conductor of electricity. Option B. It is a good insulator. Option C. Its electrical conductivity lies between that of a conductor and an insulator. Option D. It does not conduct electricity at any temperature. Correct answer is white heavy checkmark C. Its electrical conductivity lies between that of a conductor and an insulator. Explanation: a semiconductor is a material whose electrical conductivity is between that of a conductor, like copper, and an insulator, like rubber. Examples of semiconductors: silicon Si, germanium Ge, and gallium arsenide, GaAs. Question 2. The energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band in a semiconductor is called: Option A, bandwidth. Option B, energy gap. Option C, forbidden gap. Option D, conduction gap. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer is C, forbidden gap. Explanation: in a semiconductor, the energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band is called the forbidden gap. Question 3. Which of the following is an intrinsic semiconductor? Option A, silicon. Option B, germanium. Option C, both A and B. Option D, copper. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, C, both A and B. Explanation: an intrinsic semiconductor is a pure semiconductor material without any doping. The two most common intrinsic semiconductors are silicon Si, germanium Ge. Question 4. In a PN junction diode, the majority carriers in the P region are: Option A, electrons. Option B, holes. Option C, ions. Option D, both electrons and holes. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, B, holes. Explanation: in a PN junction diode, P region, positive type semiconductor doped with acceptor impurities. Question 5. Which type of semiconductor is formed by doping silicon with elements like phosphorus or arsenic? Option A, P-type semiconductor. Option B, N-type semiconductor. Option C, intrinsic semiconductor. Option D, both P-type and N-type. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, B, N-type semiconductor. Explanation: when silicon Si is doped with elements like phosphorus P or arsenic As, which have 5 valence electrons, it forms an N-type semiconductor. Question 6. In the reverse bias condition of a PN junction diode, the current is: Option A, 0. Option B, small and constant. Option C, large and constant. Option D, depends on the voltage applied. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, B, small and constant. Explanation: in a reverse bias condition of a PN junction diode, the P side is connected to the negative terminal, and the N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Question 7. What is the main function of a Zener diode? Option A, signal amplification. Option B, voltage regulation. Option C, current limiting. Option D, light emission. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, B, voltage regulation. Explanation: a Zener diode is a special type of diode designed to operate in reverse bias and is used primarily for voltage regulation. Question 8. Which of the following statements is correct for a forward-biased diode? Option A, the P side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Option B, the N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Option C, the diode does not conduct current. Option D, the reverse current is high. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, A, the P side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Explanation: in a forward-biased diode, the P-side, anode, is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Question 9. What is the current conduction mechanism in a p-n junction diode? Option A, drift of electrons only. Option B, diffusion of holes only. Option C, diffusion of both electrons and holes. Option D, quantum tunneling. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, C, diffusion of both electrons and holes. Explanation: in a p-n junction diode, the main current conduction mechanism is diffusion of charge carriers when the diode is in forward bias. Question 10. Which of the following devices operates in the reverse breakdown region? Option A, p-n junction diode. Option B, Zener diode. Option C, light-emitting diode. Option D, Schottky diode. White heavy checkmark. Correct answer, B, Zener diode. Explanation: a Zener diode is specifically designed to operate in the reverse breakdown region without damage. When a Zener diode is reverse biased, it remains non-conducting until the applied voltage reaches the Zener breakdown voltage. Thanks for watching our lesson. Hope all these discussion will be helpful for your next competitive exam. Join us at private study group link given in the description.